This is also the video of trigonometrical ratio. It is also helpful for class 9 and class 10 student. Okay. So I have written some sums. If sin theta equal to P by Q, find cos theta and sin theta. Look, by drawing triangle we can find this. But if I don't want to use the triangle, we can apply the formula also. But I will not, as this is for beginners mainly. So sin theta means sin theta P by Q. You can find the value of cos theta from sin theta and then add the value. It is very easy. Okay, this type of video I have already uploaded in trigonometrical identity 1, 2 or 3. Trigonometrical identity. Okay, I have already used. So what I am doing here, look, it is given sin theta equal to P by Q. We don't know which one is there. Suppose this is theta and sin theta equal to P by Q. So this is P, this is Q. Very good. Because sin theta equal to P by Q. It is given. So we have to find cos theta. Look, this side it is unknown to us, right? This is 90 degree, right? So from, we are doing number 14, exercise 17, ML Agarwal, class 9. But this is also helpful for class 10 students. Question number, especially CBSE, West Bengal Board, all type of students, they will be benefited. Now 14. What we have to find out from right angle triangle, ABC. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, right? Applying Pythagoras. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay. What is AC? Q square. What is AB? P square. What is BC? We don't know. So Q square minus P square equal to BC square, or BC equal to under root Q square minus P square. Okay. So this is root over Q square minus P square. Right? Very easy. Look, I have got all the sides of this triangle. Now I can find anything. What we have to find? Only cos theta, because sin theta is already given. Sin theta is already given. So we have to find cos theta. Now we find cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is, this is theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is BC by AC. That means what is BC? Root under Q square minus P square by what is AC? This one. Okay. Now LHS, no, not LHS, you have to find now sin theta plus cos theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is P by Q plus what is cos theta? Cos theta is this one. So LCM, Q is the LCM, P plus root under Q square minus P square. This is the answer. Sin theta is P by Q and cos theta is this one by this one. So this is the answer. Okay. Now another way also we can do. This is the way you can do, but in another way you can also use. I want to show that one. Suppose you don't have to write all these things, you just find the formula. Okay. Look, or I am doing another method. This is the second method. I am doing the second method. Look, we know sin square, we are using the identity here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That means cos theta equal to root under 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. 1 minus P square by Q square. That means root under Q square minus P square. So look, cos theta I have got. That means root under Q square minus P square by Q. Now Sin theta plus cos theta. What is sin theta? P by Q, right? What is cos theta? This one. Look, same answer. Q is the LCM, so P plus Q square minus P square. You can also use this formula, right? This is, we are using the identity. This is identity. We are using the identity, okay? But if in the question it is given without using identity you do, then we will follow the first method which I have done. But if nothing is given, you can also use this formula, okay? But in the initial stage we should do this one. Now go to the next question is tan theta equal to P by Q. Look, same way we can do tan theta equal to P by Q, right? We can write this is Q, then we can find the hypotenuse, right? Root under P square plus Q square, okay? Now find the value sin theta, cos theta and put the value. You can do, okay? Look here, AC square equal to what? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, applying Pythagoras theorem. So we get AC square equal to, this is P square plus Q square. So AC equal to root under P square plus Q square. We have done. Now find sin theta. Sin theta equal to P by root under eta and cos theta equal to Q by root under P square plus Q square. Now put the value. Now we have to find the value, okay? Now P sin theta minus Q cos theta by P sin theta plus Q cos theta, right? What is P sin theta? P, what is sin theta? Sin theta is P by root under P square plus Q square minus Q. What is Q? Q by root under P square plus Q square by, same thing, P into P by root over P square plus Q square, just plus sign, Q into Q by root over P square plus Q square. So we are getting, which value we are getting? We are getting, look, we are getting here I am doing P square by root under P square plus Q square minus Q square by root under P square plus Q square. Here P square by root under P square plus Q square plus Q square by root under P square plus Q square, okay? Now root under P square plus Q square is the LCM. This is this one and this one is also root under P square plus Q square is the LCM. We are getting P square plus Q square. This one cancel. So we are getting P square minus Q square by P square plus Q square. This is the answer, okay? So we have followed the trigonometric ratio step, okay? It's a very easy one, you can do. But another one method you can apply also. That will take a very little time. Look, we have done same answer. How to do this one? Okay, I am doing another method. We don't have to draw this one, but we have to use one formula. What is that? You know. If you watch my first video, trigonometric basic idea on trigonometry, you know. No, we know tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Now what will I do? Okay. Second one. Look, tan theta is given. What we have to find? This one. P sin theta minus Q cos theta by P sin theta plus Q cos theta. This one we have to find. The first method, what we have done, tan theta P by Q, we have drawn a triangle, then we find the hypotenuse and we find sin theta cos theta, put the value. Simple method. But this is some tricky. This is a tricky sum. We can use this step also. Okay. Look, this is given. Achha, we know tan theta equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. This thing we know. So, dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. Dividing both sides by cos theta. So, we are getting P sin theta minus Q cos theta by cos theta. And here also P sin theta. Why I am using this formula? This is the second method. any method you can use, whatever you like, cos theta by cos theta, right? So we are getting this one by this one, p sin theta by cos theta minus q cos theta by cos theta, right? And this is p sin theta by cos theta plus q cos theta by cos theta. So what we are getting, we are doing here. Look, this is p tan theta, right? Isn't it? Sin theta by cos theta tan theta. This is cos theta cancel, minus q. And this is p tan theta, right? Plus q. Now you just put the value of tan theta. It is given p by q. P by q minus q. P into p by q plus q. That is, q is the p square minus q square. And this is q. P square plus q square. Q cancel. We are getting p square minus q square by p square plus q square. This is the answer. Same answer is coming, but any method you can use, okay, because both are same. Look, these two sums we have to prove. First one, this is 26, question number 26, MLR1, number 1, LHS. We have to prove what? Cos theta into tan theta equal to 2. Look, what is cos theta? Cos theta I am writing, but tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, isn't it? Right? Cos theta cancel, sin theta. That is equal to RHS. Therefore, we can write LHS equal to RHS. Proved. Second one, LHS. Look, it is given sin square theta by cos theta, not cos square theta, plus cos theta. What we have to prove? 1 by cos theta. Very easy. Go for LCM. This one dividing 1 into sin square theta, that is sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta. Why cos theta into cos theta, sir? Because this is 1. Dividing, we get cos theta into cos theta, cos square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta by cos theta. That means 1 by cos theta, that is equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS proved. Here also proved. Look students, I have already uploaded 3 or 4 videos. Especially 3 videos for trigonometrical identity, that is for class 10 mainly, but in class 9 you can also watch. And this type of videos this is on trigonometrical ratios. So if you watch all the videos, I think trigonometry will not be a problem to you. It is very easy one. So the first thing is that you should know the basic idea on trigonometry. If you don't understand that, or if you don't watch that video, so you won't be able to understand very easily. Yes, you will understand, but it will take a long time. But if you watch the first video, that is basic idea on trigonometry, every video will be very clear, because these are all related to the first video. Okay, so students, you should watch the video again and again. I think there will be no problem. You should be very careful about these videos, and these are very, very scoring. Okay, so you should be very careful while you are solving this type of problem. So thanks for watching the video, and thank you.